Levothyroxine is not a thyroid medication. It is not a Hashimoto's medication either. It is hormone replacement. It is doing nothing for your thyroid gland. It is doing nothing for your Hashimoto's disease. That's why it's not a thyroid medication. If it was, it would be fixing your thyroid. It would be fixing your Hashimoto's. It isn't. It literally is like your car is leaking oil, and all you're doing is adding oil to your car. You're not finding out why it's leaking. You're just replacing the oil. That's what you're doing with levothyroxine. Which medication are you taking? Is it levothyroxine, Synthroid, Armor, NP Thyroid, Levoxyl? Drop in the comments which one you're taking. Because ultimately for you, if you're having fatigue, weight gain, brain fog, and you're hoping that one day that you'll actually have energy again and lose the weight and feel like yourself again, because I know you're not feeling yourself, you're going to have to figure out the root cause. What are the factors that are contributing to why you're having this problem? Hashimoto's is one of a dozen things that need to be addressed. So taking the medication by itself, although you probably need it now, is not addressing the problem. If you're struggling and you need some help with this, which you probably do, reach out to us. We do free discovery calls, right? Call us. We can talk to you for a few minutes to make sure you're in the right place, ultimately to see if we can get your life back.